Hello, this is Kendra Swindler. Today is Sunday, July 7th, 2019, and I'm just going to walk through my project 1 for ITS5900. First, I'm going to take a look at my S3 bucket. Pretty simple. In my S3 bucket, I created a logs folder, a scripts folder that's going to have each of the 10 scripts required for this project. Also, I'm going to have my raw data file, and then I actually manipulated it a little bit and just got rid of some of the columns that weren't really necessary and just created my own CSV. Again, worked for the entire project. I just want to keep both of them in here just in case something happens. So if I go back up here to services and then go to EMR for my Elastic MapReduce, built my cluster based on the specifications and directions provided in the class. Once I select that and go into it, I can go to steps. Just to mimic how this would be done, I would select pig program, I would select my script location. Again, it's going to be my S3 bucket under scripts, and let's say I wanted to do this average temperature max. My input is going to be that manipulated CSV file that we saw just a moment ago. Last but not least, my output is going to be that log file, that log folder that we looked at in that S3 bucket. So this is how I would run a step in my cluster. I would add it, and then we would wait for this to go from pending to running to complete. We would also wait for these logs to be populated. That being said, I have already ran a couple of these, so we're just going to go ahead and look at those, and we can verify what was ran because the arguments here is going to be exactly what I just entered when I add a step. So this is going to be the temperature max of 95 or greater. The input is going to be that manipulated CSV file. Last but not least, the output is going to be the log file. So instead of waiting for this to complete, we're just going to look at one of them that previously completed just moments ago. I'm going to go ahead and open this in a browser to look at the results. And again, this was the temperature max greater than 95. So 59,000 rows were input, only output 85. This was verified in that Excel file just by doing a simple filter. Here are the results. Last but not least, the other one that we looked at was the average max temperature. So again, the argument, the script was the average Tmax under that scripts file in the S3 bucket. The input was going to be, again, same CSV file as before and same log file as before. So again, instead of waiting for this to complete, pausing this and coming back, we're just going to take a look at this one again in the browser. So this was the average max temperature. 59,000 rows, it only output 1, same as usual, and right here we can see that average max temperature is 57.37, etc. Again, was verified in the Excel document, so I know that that's correct. Just a quick run through, so I think that was pretty much it for the project in this video, so I will be providing all other information in the required documents. Obviously, hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.